Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pop, not the way that I do love.
What's that for?
Electric.
Oh.
That's the science of it. It's electric. Ow! This fucking thing. So I get this thing. Oh shit. And then just poke it at the bit and pull this. Oh. That's what I've been doing to fill up the holes. It might be overkill, I don't even know if it's the right thing to do. I'll grind it back. It's probably like way more than you need, but I'm just filling in all of these, like that's the ones I've done. Oh, that one's not very good. That one, it's not too bad, I think. In there. Just something to do, isn't it? That's where a hole was for the stock intercooler. And then there was another hole there from where I cut one for front mount. I haven't really finished like welding this yet. And that was the first sort of attempt at like curving the panel over and stuff like that, because it's a bit of an awkward shape. And then I got to weld this in here, because I was going to replace the whole cross member with a new one, but I cut this section out and it's not actually that bad inside, so I'm just going to cover it up. The primer is not so weld proof, apparently.
Weld through?
Well, I think I just put too much of it on. You're probably meant to do like a really thin coat, and I went on a bit heavy, and then tried welding to it, and didn't work. Alright, let's try grinding this up.
Through the dark, girl, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere.
To be honest, that one might have been useful. Should have checked my fucking photos. That was for an ad. Technically, I did need. I just got carried away with welding. Fuck! I'm just looking at this photo being like, they're all gone. Yeah, so my cat went missing, and I was only went to one house that's literally like 2 doors down, and ended up on Facebook. This guy has been spotted snooping around someone's private property. Please be vigilant, people. It's just my fucking mug. First house. It really looked good going to the rest after that, didn't it? Yeah, she's got a look about me, apparently. It's a bit dodgy.
Put a dodgy face.
I had enough subscribers and I had enough total views, but not enough hours watched, because all my videos tend to be about a minute long. Tom. So you need to watch them all at least 100 times each, and it'll pay for more of it. I should probably start doing stickers again, that's a lot easier. Big drop soon. £100 a sticker.
$50. But it's a $1 scratchy. $50.